Because of the low density in the Martian atmosphere, the Reynolds number associated with flying on Mars is much lower than on Earth, and that changes the physics completely.
If the density is 1/100th that of Earth's, we get a lift force that's 1/100th than what you need.
But it seems that the Mars atmosphere is uniquely suited for bio-inspired flapping wing motions. We took a bumblebee, which flaps at 150 hertz. One of the nice things about insect flight is that they can hover, but also move forward and perform agile maneuvers. So it's not that we can simply take insect motion and play that on Mars. We have to be really smart about how we dynamically scale morphology and also wing kinematics.
We work in a computational group, and we model the lifting forces on the wings, and this is coupled to a flight dynamics solver, which models the wing and body interaction and the reduced gravity. And eventually, we also want to experimentally validate this in our vacuum chamber. It's definitely possible, and we would like to get this done as soon as possible to maybe aid in the human exploration of Mars.